In this video, we will going to discuss about the 20 books and their authors. This is very important for an upcoming UGC and SET exam. If you like this video, then please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for upcoming notification. Please let's see our video. First book, Iliad and Odyssey. This book is written by Homer, and this is the book where epic poems describe the episodes of Trojan War and presents geographical accounts of the lands and people located on the margins of the world, then known to the Greeks. This is the main theme of this books, which is written by Homer. Jasperiots. This book is written by Hecataeus. He is also known as the father of geography. This is the first systematic description of the world. It includes two books. First is on Europe and second is on Asia, which included Africa. Meteorologica book is written by Aristotle. In this book, he described tidal movements and asserted winds to play important role in origin of tidal waves. So this is the main theme of the book written by Aristotle. Next, Eratosthenes written a book which is named by Geographica or Geography. In this book, he described the term equipment. In this, he accepted the division of world into Europe, Asia and Libya and introduced 5 climatic zones. In this aspect, we have to know what is equipment. Equipment means the inhabited earth. It is very important. Equipment means inhabited earth. Posidonius was an important Greek historian and astronomer, and as well as a geographer and a teacher. He wrote a book, its name, The Ocean. And we have to know Posidonius is called the father of the oceanography. The father of oceanography is Posidonius. Strabo was one of the famous Roman geographer. He is also known as father of regional geography, and he wrote a book, its name Geographica. This book has 17 parts. In this book, he has tried to complete all the knowledge of mathematical, physical, political and historical geography in form of general treatise. Ptolemy was a Greco-Roman writer of Alexandria. He is also known as a mathematician, astronomer, poet, and geographer. His earliest work, the Almagest. It is also known as the Syntaxis. It is a great contribution to classical astronomy. It deals with the mathematical theory of motion of sun, moon and planets. This is the most important book which is written by Ptolemy. The second book of Ptolemy was the Geography, and it is also known as the Guide to Geography. It deals with the theory of map projection. It consists a catalogue of places with their latitudes and longitudes and describes briefly each continent, country and tribe. He asserted that geography is a science which deals with the art of mapmaking. Ptolemy's other minor work, the Optics. It is the reflection and refraction respectively. These works are in field of astronomy. He also promulgated the concept of terra australis incognita, which declared that Indian Ocean is a closed sea. So these are the main three books which is written by Ptolemy. Pomponius Mela was the last important geographer and historian of the time. He was the last among the ancient to recognize the value of geography in relation to history and defense. He wrote a book, its name De Choreographia, and this is the most important book which is written by Pomponius Mela. Another book of Pomponius Mela was Cosmography. In this video, the previous slide showed that a book which is written by Pomponius Mela is called De Choreographia. The book De Choreographia and the Cosmography written in Latin language. In his book, he divided the world into 5 macro regions and provided a detailed account of northern temperature regions. So these two are the most important book which is written by Pomponius Mela. Now we will see another book which is written by Muhammad Qasim, and the book is A Book of Roots and Realms. In this book, he described the countries, their rivers and other water bodies, resources and trade and important routes in the Arab world. Al-Masudi was born in Baghdad. He was a geographer, historian, world traveler and a prolific writer. He wrote a book, its name Kitabul Awsat. This is the most important book which is written by Al-Masudi, a Arabian scholar or a geographer. We all hear the name of Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni's full name was Abu Rehan Muhammad. His main interests include astronomy, mathematics, chronology, physics, medicine and history. He has written a number of books. His major works include Kitab ul Hind, a very effective book which is written by Al-Biruni. Ibn Battuta was one of the great travelers of his time. His real name was Abdullah Muhammad and Ibn Battuta was his surname. His book Rila throws light on the soils, agriculture, economy and political history of the Muslim world. So this is the main theme of the book written by Ibn Battuta. Ibn Khaldun, another important Arab writer, is generally considered as the last great Arab scholar. He wrote a book and it is known as Muqaddimah. It is divided into 6 sections. 1. Civilization, geography and anthropology. Second, decision of nomadic culture. Third, the kingdoms. Fourth, life in the villages and cities. Fifth, professions and means of livelihood. Sixth, classification of science. So those are the 6 sections of the book Muqaddimah, which is written by Ibn Khaldun. Bhaskaracharya was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. His main work is Siddhanta Shiromani, which consists of 4 parts that deal with arithmetic, algebra, mathematics of planets and spheres respectively. He is particularly known for discovery of principles of differential calculus and its application to astronomical problems and computation. Bernhard Varenius was an important geographer the late 18th century. His famous work is Geographia Generalis in 1650. This is the most important book which is written by Bernhard Varenius. Alexander von Humboldt is a father of modern geography. In 1845, he wrote a monumental work titled Cosmos to develop universal science. In fact, he was the last master of the universal science. Cosmos is a comprehensive account of his travels and expeditions. The first volume of the Cosmos provides a general presentation of the whole picture of the universe. The second volume begins with a discussion of the prolateral of the nature through the ages by landscape painters and poets, and then continues with a history of main effort to discover and describe the earth. Since the time of the ancient Egyptians, the third volume was devoted to astronomy and the laws of celestial space. The fourth volume deals with the earth, and the fifth and final volume was projected to contain a general discussion of plant and animal geography as well as study of man. He coined the term cosmography and divided it into uranography and geography. Uranography is the descriptive astronomy which deals the celestial bodies. On the other side, geography is the physical geography which deals with the terrestrial part. Now we will see the last book and the author in this video, Karl Ritter. He was born in Berlin and known as one of the founders of modern geographical thought. He wrote a book, its name Erkunde, or An Earth Science. It deals with local conditions and embraces the attributes of place with respect to tropical, formal and material characteristics. The topographical attribute deals with the natural division of Earth's surface. The formal attribute includes the distribution and movement of water, sea atmosphere and base of human life. The material condition covered the distribution of minerals, plants and animals. So those are the 20 books and their authors which is very important for the upcoming UGC NET exam or any state set exam. So if you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends, and if you like it, then subscribe our channel and press bell icon for next update, and continue with us. Thank you.